Shri Bhagwati presents Putty Manufacturing Plant. A putty manufacturing plant is a facility where putty, a versatile material used in various applications such as construction, automotive, and manufacturing, is produced. Putty is a type of material that typically consists of a combination of filler materials, polymers, and other additives. It is known for its malleability, adhesion properties, and ability to fill gaps and imperfections. The manufacturing process begins with the acquisition of raw materials. Common ingredients include fillers like calcium carbonate or talc, polymers, solvents, and various additives. The manufacturing process begins with the acquisition of raw materials. Common ingredients include fillers like calcium carbonate or talc, polymers, solvents, and various additives. In some cases, a polymerization process may be involved to create the polymer matrix that gives putty its adhesive and cohesive properties. The mixed material is then processed, either through extrusion or batch processing, to achieve the desired consistency and texture of the putty. Quality control measures are implemented at various stages of the manufacturing process to ensure that the putty meets the required standards. This may involve testing for consistency, adhesion, drying time, and other relevant properties. A well-organized putty manufacturing plant follows these processes to produce high-quality putty products that meet industry standards and customer expectations. Thanks for watching. For inquiry, contact below mobile number or email ID.